Do you know Metrin? They are a skincare brand from Canada that are so confident in their products that they offer you a 6-month money-back guarantee. Hi everyone, welcome back to Linda Libra Luca. My name's Anne, I'm a doctor and a beauty lover, and I love talking about beauty tips and tricks for people with more mature skin. And today's video is paid for by Metrin. Metrin is a Canadian skincare brand and they follow quite a unique approach. Instead of marketing their skincare for different skin types like oily skin, dry skin or different skin conditions, they say that their skincare system will work with every different skin type and aim to enhance the skin's condition by giving your skin the tools to renew and refresh itself. The system is supposed to work for all skin types because Metrin adjusts with the metabolic rate of each individual and normalizes dry or oily skin. With the use of Metrin, they say dry skin will no longer be dry and oily skin will no longer be oily. And if you read the statistics on skin types, you'll actually find that only 10% of people have really oily skin and 10% have really dry skin. About 80% have normal skin. If you do look around in kind of the blogosphere or here in YouTube, you get kind of different impressions. So the question is, do we all really have dry or oily skin, or are we just treating our normal skin wrongly, like damaging our skin barrier? And because this is a question that I've thought about a lot lately, I was really excited to learn more about Metrin. The original formula was designed in 1932 by a chemist called Dr. Runnels, and Dr. Runnels suffered from dry acneic skin and, as it is always the story, wanted to design something that helped his skin back to normal. They haven't changed the formula ever since, so they have testimonials on their website from people using Metrin for over 50 years. And backed up by these more than 85 years of successful product promotion, they are so confident in their products that they offer you a 6-month money-back guarantee. If you purchase a full-size set of Metrin Skincare for her or for him, they will refund you the full price you've paid if within the first 6 months you'll say that you did not get along with the product or that you were disappointed in the product. And because they are designed to last you 6 months, that means that even if you use it up to the last drop, they will refund you your money if you are not happy with the product. They also claim that they are the oldest double cleanse formula because they have 2 different cleansers starting from 1932, that they are cost efficient because they remove the need for additional masks, scrubs and eye cream, and all of their products are formulated without fragrance, artificial dye, gluten, and are not tested on animals. While the system caters to all ages, all genders and all ethnicities, they do offer a 4-step version for men and a 5-step version for women, and the difference is in step 5, the Nourish, the richest like moisturizer, if you will. This is not included in the male set because they say men's skin does not need the extra nourishment. Women are more prone to dry skin. You are supposed to use the product morning and night, following step 1 to step 5 with specific instructions. So let me talk you through the process. The first thing you need is the cleanse step. The deep cleanse is a face cleanser. It is not the best to take off makeup. If you're wearing heavy eye makeup with waterproof mascara, I recommend you go in with a dedicated eye makeup remover first. Then you're supposed to wash your hands, clean your hands, and then again apply the deep cleanse to your face, massaging it in and then removing it with a flannel. It's made of a base of sunflower seed oil, which is rich in linoleic acid and vitamin E, and is also anti-inflammatory. It has a very mild surfactant in stearic acid and some humectants as well as allantoin and added vitamin E. Second step is their lathering cleanser, which is called exfoliate, and that confused me at first because it does not contain your traditional exfoliant. It does not contain any physical scrub and it does not contain any chemical exfoliants. But I asked at Metrin and they told me that once you have softened your skin with the deep cleanse, the lather is enough to gently take off the upper layer or the dead skin cells. So this is why they call it exfoliant, even though it is not a traditional exfoliant. That was really reassuring because I would not recommend using a true exfoliant as in a scrub or chemical exfoliant twice a day, every day. It does not contain SLS, but other more gentle surfactants to create the lather. Contains aloe vera for extra soothing. Contains a coconut-derived cleanser which adds for the foam, panthenol, soy protein and allantoin for extra soothing the skin. Another thing that I have not yet seen is the added chloroxylenol, which is a kind of mild skin disinfectant, which will probably help with acne breakouts. You're supposed to really thoroughly remove this cleanser, so they recommend that you take it off with a flannel once, maybe twice, and then rinse your face with water, because they say that leaving surfactants, even the gentle one, on your face is a source of irritation for many people. Next step is called Hydrate, and it's their Vita conditioner. This one looks more like a cream than a liquid, which again surprised me, but you smooth it over your skin and it absorbs pretty quickly. It has again sunflower seed oil for vitamin E and linoleic acid, aloe vera, some emollients, vitamin E and allantoin. It does contain a little bit of retinol palmitate and 3,0-ethyl ascorbic acid, so a little bit of vitamin A and a little bit of vitamin C, but both are at the end of the ingredient list and come after the added phenoxyethanol, which is used as a preservative, so they are below 1%. Step number 4 is called Protect, and this is not a sunscreen. Sadly, the brand does not offer any sun protection, but it is a really watery lotion that you again pour into the palm of your hand and then press onto your face and let absorb. This one again contains humectants, aloe vera, allantoin, panthenol for soothing and hydrating the skin. It also contains chloroxylenol, which is the before mentioned skin disinfectant, and aluminium chlorhydroxyallantoinate, which is a mild stringent and can be slightly keratolytic, but in a very, very gentle way, not as strong as your average chemical exfoliant. So I guess that helps in smoothing out the skin and minimizing the appearance of large pores. And the last step, number 5, the one that you don't get if you're a man, is Nourish, the enriched Vita conditioner, as opposed to the Vita conditioner, which is number 3. It contains the same humectants, vitamin E, allantoin, aloe vera, and the low concentration of retinol palmitate and 3,0-cetyl ascorbic acid. That feels a little richer in texture. I have used Metrin Skincare for 3 weeks, morning and night, so I could get a feel for it. And the question, is it a complete skincare set? Yes, if you forgive them that they're missing an SPF, which is essential in any skincare. Is it a set that I personally would exclusively use? No. But that comes down to personal preference. This is a skincare set that will respect your skin and help it balance itself by using soothing and anti-inflammatory ingredients, as well as some humectants and emollients. It is easy to understand. The numbers take out the guesswork, and you can use it morning and night without the need to think about, oh, does this work with that, and can I combine these two brands? You just have everything you need labeled 1 to 5. For someone like me who likes to experiment with their skincare, currently rotating new things in and other things out, someone who likes their actives, like their retinoids, their high percentage vitamin C's, trying to target different issues at different times of the year, this is kind of too easy, not enough fun. But this is an absolute luxury problem. I was missing something in the sensory experience. They are formulated to help your skin. They don't put an emphasis on the pleasure of using their product. They are not pink because they don't use any dyes. They are not scented, so they kind of smell medicinal. And the textures, while they make my skin feel beautiful after a certain time, are not as lightweight and easy to absorb as I personally prefer them. So I think I will forever be drawn more to the light pink fluffy gel moisturizers instead of something like Metrin number 5, even though my head knows that this is probably less irritating and better for my skin. If you are, however, more sensible than I am and just want to know fuzz, no guesswork skincare system that you can apply morning and night, this might be worth checking out. After all, there's not much to lose with the 6-month money back guarantee. I'm going to link a few other videos on the screen that I think you might be interested in. Please tell me in the comments below if you are more into skincare systems, or if you, like me, try to mix and match everything. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe so you don't miss any further uploads, and I'm going to see you all very soon with another one. Bye!